Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out the Maybelline Lash Sensational Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara. I have it here in black. It says it's new, 253, black is the color. It's supposed to give you layers of lashes revealed with volume. See, the brush is very interesting. It's lopsided, and it says use the inner curve to reach the roots of the lashes and then follow through with the tips of the lashes with the longer bristles to fan them out. This retails for about 10 Canadian dollars. I actually got mine on Amazon, and Maybelline is out of New York, and this stuff is made in the USA. The tube is pretty nice looking. It is giant, a little bit dangerous looking. It looks like a high heel or something. And the brush has, a short side, short bristles, and long bristles, which honestly, the more variety they can give us, the better, I think. I'm gonna do a full 12-hour wear test. We're gonna see how this mascara wears throughout the day on me. I've already got the rest of my makeup on today. Let's balance this all out with some mascara. See how she does. Alright, there is one eye. I think it's a fairly wet feeling mascara. It went on without smudging or moving the rest of my makeup around. Very, very nice. Super black. It's almost like incredibly matte looking. Feathered out my lashes really well. It does make me look like I have a ton of lashes. I love that the brush gives you a lot of options while you're using it because of the curvature and the lengths of the bristles. There's a lot you can do. You could put your makeup on differently like every single morning. So depending on what your lashes are doing or whatever's going on, you can kind of like customize it, which I do really enjoy. So far, really liking this mascara, and that is quite the dramatic before and after. So let me do the other eye here. Alright, there's the other eye. Again, I don't feel like one eye is acting better than the other eye, which is pretty unusual for me. I think they both look really nice. I think it gives you just a ton of volume, a ton of length, a ton of lashes. So far, yeah, really good. Again, really wet formula, which I don't mind. So now we just got to see how well it sticks to my face for the next 12 hours. So let me go ahead and get this day started. Here we go. Alright guys, I am back. It's been a full 12 hours and take a look at this makeup. So you can see a little bit of stuff moving around, but no major fallout or anything. Maybe just like one or two random flakes around my face. My lashes still look quite I guess clumpy, but also volumized and like nicely fanned out like they claim to be. I don't think they're as black as they originally were, and they are crunchy feeling. Very, very crunchy feeling. I feel like this is one of those mascaras that like when you take off, like it's kind of gummy and gross. It takes a little bit more effort to like get completely off compared to other mascaras, which kind of actually brings it down a few points considering how well it performs overall. It is kind of annoying once you're done with it. Overall though, I will say I do like the effect a lot, and considering some of the activities I got up to today, my eyes were watering a little bit. I think it performed very, very well. Very reliable, especially if you have like watery eyes. You might get a little bit of flakage, but no like smearing, streaking, anything crazy like that. So with that being said, what would I give this mascara out of 5 stars? Because weirdly enough, I do think it performs very well. I do like the brush. I think the packaging looks nice. But it's just not a favorite of mine. Like, if I have something else that's open and ready to go, there's just something about the gumminess and the consistency of it that I just don't really appreciate compared to some of my drier mascaras. So I think it might just be a textural preference, but it's not like cracking my all-time favorite mascaras, weirdly enough. I think I'm gonna give it a 3.5 out of 5. Like, it's solid, it's decent, it does a good job, but it just has not like captured my heart. Would I recommend it to you? I mean, if you like a wetter formula, I think it's gonna do a great job, and I know it's gotten a lot of hype over the internet, so I think a lot of people are very happy with it. Just for me, it's like, it's good, it does a good job, but it's not the one, if you know what I mean. Would I repurchase it? At the drugstore, I would probably be tempted to try something new or grab my old trusty L'Oreal. That is my look at the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you would like to see more beauty reviews from me. I put out 2 beauty videos a week with the help and support of my darling patrons. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. If you would like to help support my channel, make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about this Maybelline mascara, or if there's any other Maybelline mascaras I should be checking out. And with that, I will see you all in my next beauty video.